Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 91. We are on Unit 8. So this is a checkup challenge. We are on Activity 2. Complete the text with the correct form of the verbs. My friends and I are going camping next week. There's so much to organize. If it's sunny, we'll sleep outside under the stars. But so this is a verb state, so you need to add will. So will stay, or you can put apostrophe double L. So I just write in full. Will stay in our tents if it rains. So you just add s behind n. We have, so this one, we will have more space in the car if we, so this one, do not take, so add do in front of not, do not take our sleeping bags, but will get very cold at night. If my dad, so give, so add s here, gives. If my dad gives me some money, I will buy a football to take with me. We all love sport, and I must remember to pack lots of food. If we, so this one do, so maintain the word. If we do a lot of sport, we will get hungry. So next we take a look at Activity 3. What might happen to the characters from In the Shadows? Think and write sentences with may or may not, might or might not, or could. So this one you may refer to Pupils Book page 100 to listen to the audio clip of this Activity 1. Okay, number 1. Tyler is running through the forest and Rex is behind him. So the answer is Rex might catch him. And number 2. Tyler is lost inside an enormous castle. So you may write Tyler might not find his way out. Number 3. Tyler is in a cave and the sea is coming in. So Tyler may not escape from the cave. And number 4. Maribel's boat is in a storm, but she hears a police helicopter. So the police might rescue Maribel. And number 5. It's dark and difficult for the police to see Maribel. So the police could not. See Maribel. And the final one, she's near an island, but the waves are very strong. So the waves may blow Maribel away. So that's it for this page. We are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 91. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can watch the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram robot for free.